Hi, this is Shribala. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you like me cooking. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn notifications on to get the updates. Thank you, enjoy and happy cooking.
We are going to do a very interesting one pot recipe today. The cabbage capsicum rice. It's going to be ready in a jiffy. Come, let's see it. Let's look at the ingredients. In this gotsu powder, the recipe is given in Katrika Gotsu. The link is given here. You can look at it and understand how to make the gotsu powder. Cabbage, capsicum, onions, cooked rice, ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander, curry leaves. Let's go to the recipe. In a large pan, I've added oil. I'm crackling mustard. Time to add the fennel, Bengal gram, pinched red chilies, curry leaves, sliced onions, you need to glaze it completely. Ginger garlic paste, this is optional. Turmeric powder, capsicum cut into dices, shredded cabbage, we are not adding water because both the vegetables leave water on its own. I am adding one green chilli, salt as required. You can adjust as per your taste. Close the lid and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. I am adding red chilli powder, then the gotsu powder. As I told you before, you can look at the recipe to know how to make this gotsu powder. The link is given here. Mix them completely so that the flavors are absorbed. I am adding half teaspoon of Shribala's curry powder. If you don't have it, you can add garam masala. This again is optional. Then cooked rice. You can look at the way the rice has to be cooled. That is given in Samba Sadam. You can go through the recipe and know how to cool the rice. Rice should never break, so cooling the rice is very important after cooking. Mix it gently. Don't apply pressure. We are not cooking in an oak, a Chinese oak, so you cannot do it faster also. A normal pan, so do it slow. The rice has to absorb all the flavors. So toss it gently. I am adding a spoon of ghee. That again is optional. It leaves a nice aroma. So I am adding it. It will increase the flavor. I am adding fresh coriander,
and 1 spoon of lemon juice. That's it. A yummy capsicum cabbage rice is ready to be served. It can be served with raita, badams and papads. Hope you would love this recipe and give me your feedback. You can always follow me in all the other social media. The links are given in the description. We will believe in this too shall pass. Stay safe and stay home. Until we meet again, take care. Thank you for watching all my videos.